Next, we have the Nissan Pao that I bought for myself, and I would like to ship home to myself, but there's a saying that goes, everything's for sale, and would I be devastated if someone bought this? No. The wheel, on the other hand, I already shipped it home. No one can buy that one. I already installed a bunch of stuff. You guys will see it later eventually. But next we have this Pao. Wasn't the cleanest, if you guys remember. Also wasn't the worst, though. Yeah. I keep saying, like, do I want to ship this one home? Do I want to sell it? And the more I look at it, it's like there's no way I can sell it. The thing is, I had David's and I drove it all the way to Georgia. So, like, I kind of enjoyed a Pao to an extent. But I didn't build it the way I wanted to. And, like, I know you're not going to like this, guys. But I want to put underglow on this. I want to put tri-spokes on this. I want to change the steering wheel on this. Not to original either. But to another Nardi. Fire's right up, too. Let me have... Oh, it's so ugly in here, though. Which is good for me, don't get me wrong. But let me have Rodrigo move this one. Can you imagine me whipping this back home? Because I can. Those wheels need to go yesterday, though. What size are they? They're like 12s, right? Yeah, it's 155 80 12s. So here's a look at the back. I've learned that these trays are pretty sought after. Shout out to Tom and Shirley. The homie told me that this is for speaker covers, but it seems like I already have speaker covers. But it came with a new one of these, which I believe is for this. They're a new one of these that's not messed up. And then that, this, I think that's it. So, pretty excited for this one, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I can't. I'm gonna put a price on the screen. I probably did already, but I'm gonna put it a little higher than I want someone to pay. I can't get rid of this. I can't. Transitioning into summer, rocking out with a Pao, going to car meets with my mom with a Pao and a wheel. Do you guys see the vision? And the mirror walkthrough. Let's not forget about that. Drop this off to Teggy. Can you imagine with Teggy get his little mittens on here? I don't even mind these seat covers either. Tinted also, like dark tint. Yeah, it needs some tints. It's really not that bad. Besides, like, remember the rust, but it's not bad. I wonder if I should get this one serviced. No, I don't think I am. I don't want to wait. I want the car to come to me ASAP. It just looks super oily here. But I don't think hard parts are hard to find. I wouldn't mind doing a tune-up back home though. Yeah, I need to get wheels on this. I need to ship this back to America. I just want to drive it home. I want to leave the Tri here and I just want to start driving this. Let's drive this one a little bit. Just a little. Suspension feels fine, given I'm driving on a dirt road. Brakes work good. Oh, there's a Minica Dangan over here. Always wanted one of those. It actually feels pretty peppy. It's a dirt road, so I can't even really punch it anywhere. Side note, we have to change the steering wheel. I could see myself getting a splinter just from doing a U-turn. I just need to find a way to pop this little cap off, unscrew that, go to Up Garage, or maybe even buy a new one. Get that installed. Maybe even get a black face here. Because I feel like, you know how Paos usually are like that nice green color? This one being navy, and I think the wheels I'm probably going to get are going to be close to that or maybe gold. I think I'd rather get that black. There's not much chrome or brightness when it comes to this one. Oh wow, look at the sun hitting it right now. Sheesh. Wowzers. K is the way. Let me hold on. PSA, K is the way. But crazy enough, being in Japan for over 2 months, the two cars that I'm going to ship home are a Toyota Will, which is not a K car, and a Nissan Pao. But don't wait. Once we get closer to my departure date, I'll start slinging some Ks home. All right, let me drive this one back. Hopefully they can let me keep the plate, even with a hole in it, just for the memories of it. Let's see, give it some more revs. Oh, wow, I'm about to hit a monumental. Wow. Oh, look at, I have to send this home. Look, shout out to Miss Husky. Date coming soon. Once we get to 40,000 subscribers, I'm going on a date. But look at the miles we're about to hit. Monumental moment right here. If you know, you know. I shouldn't even have to explain it. We're all adults here. All right, come on. Hurry up and change. Oh. Let me not get in this guy's way. Come on, pal. Give us what we want. We want the 69. Oh no, this thing is just edging me at this point. Oh no, it's coming, it's coming. Whatever, I'll show you guys when it gets there. But yeah, it drives good. It really does drive good. Besides this, like this wood here, I would say it definitely drives nice. I could only imagine with new tires. Yeah. I don't even know if when I'm editing this video, if I put any price. I don't know if I put any price on the screen, but nah, I definitely gotta ship this one home. I think I'm gonna sell that Sandbar Classic supercharged two-wheel drive one that I have in Osaka. So I can't just sell all my cars. I gotta keep some of the gems for the WayBeforeTheFame garage. I'm not gonna lie though, I would have loved to get this one serviced out here. But I just, to be 100% honest, see myself back in Japan in fall. And the service yard takes forever. Like, if I get this car serviced, I'm probably not gonna see it till September or October, and at that point it's not even worth it. I want to drive this during the summer. I want to go to car meets with my other pal homies. Shout out to Tiki Bunny Imports. Yeah, it's a 550. He actually got this Daihatsu Leeza turbo. Rodrigo's giving it a test drive. I'm currently looking at this cappuccino. So that's a homie in Jersey. You guys already seen this video, but I can't wait to see more on this. I wonder how it drives. I definitely got to whip it around the block. So here's more on the Daihatsu Leeza, fuel injected, interesting intercooler. The motor looks very similar to Daihatsu Mira. I think it needs some fresh gas or maybe a little tune-up. Standard mirror wheels. Yeah, definitely needs some wheels. Oh wait, me and Tiki have already been talking about wheels. I think he has a set. Is twin exhaust? Yeah. Oh wow. I wonder if it was always like that. That's interesting. Door handle is very 80s. Oh wow. Rear seats are kind of funny. It's got speakers. Does that have LEDs? No way. Okay. Let's see. Windows, they work. Alright, so let's see what this is like. Turn off the AC so we get all the power. Oh, the battery light is on. That's probably why the window went so slow. Tiki, let me know if you want me to put a new battery. Funny enough, I haven't actually installed any battery since being here. I thought that would be like the number one thing I'd do, but it's really just been wheels, wheels, wheels. I wonder if this doesn't work or if I'm just going too slow. And sadly, I probably can't even go fast enough to really find out. Let me try to actually give it some gas. It's just so bumpy. Oh no, yeah, it works. Yeah, it works. Okay. It's got a little giddy up. My 550 Mighty Boy used to haul, so I can only imagine what a 550 Turbo feels like. Drives good though, pretty comfortable for a K car, especially on these roads. Pretty sure it's front wheel drive. Interior is nice, love the seats. Seats are pretty comfortable too. Let me bust a UE up here. Let me give it one more push. Oh, look, it has a turbo. You see that? Right here, it lights up green. That's pretty sick. All right, let's drive it back. Let's do one last 360. Like the steering wheel too. So I'm pretty sure this is for sale. Hit up Tiki Bunny if you're interested. Very interesting shaped car. Shout out Daihatsu. You guys know I'm a big Daihatsu fanboy. The dual exhaust is throwing me off. I feel like someone did that on some City Field stuff. It just doesn't look factory. Scott, comment below. And like, why would a 550 have dual exhaust? Like, the Cappuccino, so many cars don't have dual exhaust. Like, why would this one have it out of all cars? I wonder what this switch does. Maybe it's the nitrous. Alright, so let's drive it back. See if we get into second. Yeah, it's pretty torquey. Update, so I'm currently getting some dinner, doing some hard thinking right now. Part of me wants to keep the Pao because I think having that car back home would be dope. It's blue, you don't really see them in that navy color. I technically already found tri-spokes for it. I don't mind the interior, I don't mind any of the exterior defects, although overall the car is actually really clean. I think when I saw it at the auction and we saw the auction sheet, sometimes the auction sheet can kind of sway you into like, oh no, you shouldn't buy this. But I really like it. I just feel like I like a Rover Mini more. That's why if someone wants to buy it, it is for sale, $6,000. Hopefully, I think it's a great price by the way. Hopefully whoever buys it still allows me to maybe put tri-spokes on it so I can see the vision come true. Allows me to put H4s. I mean, that's 1 to 3. And let's see what happens. I'm gonna show you guys my delicious food that I ordered. And I'm in this video here. Almost at 40K subs. Thank you guys so much.